This is going to be a video tutorial on how to allow or deny microphone access in the Opera web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Opera web browser opened up now. To allow or deny microphone access, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper left-hand corner, up to the little red O logo. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the page that opens up, the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, you want to click on Site Settings. Then you'll scroll down just a little ways, and right down here is Microphone. You want to click on Microphone. And up top here you have a little drop down box where you could select what microphone you want the browser to use. Down below that it says Default Behavior. Sites automatically follow this setting when you visit them. The top one, by default, the top one is probably toggled on. Sites can ask to use your microphone. If you toggle on the bottom one here, don't allow sites to use your microphone. Down below that you could do customized behavior for particular websites. But the main settings right up here, the default behavior, either sites can use your microphone or don't allow sites to use your microphone. That is how to allow or deny microphone access on the Opera web browser. Thanks for watching.